Okay, good morning to all of you. Okay, welcome to Lakshya Academy online classes. Today's topic is nutrition in cardates. In day before yesterday's lesson, we learned nutrition starting from periphery up to hemichordata. Today, let us talk about nutrition in cardates. Then, I will take up diet system of earthworm, followed by cockroach and frog, and finally human digestive system. With this, all the topics related to digestion will be completed. Okay, let us start. Okay, in the chordata phylum, there are three subphyla, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Okay, in the Vertebrata subphylum, there are some classes. One of the class is Cyclostomata, Chondrichthyes, Ostrichthyes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves. Okay, these are the Mammalia. These are the classes in the subphylum Vertebrata. First, let us talk about Cyclostomata. Cyclostomes have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. Okay, look at the this image. Okay, look at the mouth here. This is the Petromyza, lamprey. Okay, this is there are no scales on the body here. Unpaired fin sibilant. This is unpaired fin, and this is the mouth. Mouth is circular. Here, this is the mouth in the anterior part. Okay, this is a circular mouth, and sucking and circular mouth is present here. Okay, cyclostomes have sucking and circular mouth without jaws. Okay, no jaws. Agnatha. And cyclostomes are ectoparasites on some fishes. You learned earlier in Annelida phylum leech. Leech also ectoparasite and vertebrates. Cyclostomes are also ectoparasites. Leech has suckers, but here, okay, these cyclostomes have, these are ectoparasites on some fishes. What type of mouth is present here? Sucking and circular mouth without jaws. No jaws are present. Okay, here this is the mouth, circular mouth, and this is the lamprey, Petromyza. Okay, next class is Chondrichthyes. In Chondrichthyes, mouth is located ventrally. Okay, in our body also, this is the dorsal part of our body. This is the ventral part of our body. Okay, we have mouth and ventral side. Here also, mouth is located ventrally. Look at this one. This is the shark image. Okay, look at here. This is the dorsal side of the shark. This is the ventral side. Mouth is on ventral side. Okay, where is the mouth? Mouth is on ventral side. Okay, next one, teeth are modified placoid scales. Okay, these shark fishes have, chondrichthyes. Shark fish belongs to the class chondrichthyes or cartilaginous fishes. Okay, they what type of scales are present? You might have learned. Okay, they have placoid scales. Okay, these teeth also. Okay, these are modified placoid scales. In previous MSET exam, one bit was given. Okay, what type of scales are modified into teeth in chondrichthyes fishes? Okay, what type of scales? Placoid scales are modified into teeth. Placoid scales are modified into teeth. And another important feature, these teeth are backwardly directed. Look at here. Okay, these teeth are, how are they in? They are backwardly directed. And jaws are very powerful. Look at this is the upper jaw. Okay, this is lower jaw. In previous class, okay, that is cyclostomata. There are no jaws, but here there are jaws. Powerful jaws are present. This is upper jaw, lower jaw. Very powerful jaws are present. And these animals are predaceous. They kill other animals. Okay, the very powerful pointed teeth are present here. Okay, that's about class Chondrichthyes, which are these fishes are commonly called. These are mostly marine, and these are commonly called cartilaginous fishes. Okay, where is the mouth? Look at here. Look at this slide. Okay, where is the mouth? Not on dorsal side, not at the terminal part, but here mouth is ventral. Next point. Teeth are modified placoid scales. Okay, these are modified placoid scales. Next one, which are how are they arranged? The teeth are backwardly directed. Next one, jaws are very powerful. Here is a jaw. You can observe these jaws. Very powerful jaws are present. And these animals are predaceous. They kill other animals and eat them. Okay, next class in the vertebrata subphylum Ostrictis. Mouth is, where is the mouth here? Mouth is terminal, not ventral here. Mostly mouth is terminal. This is the Labiorohita. Labiorohita, one of the freshwater fishes in Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes, these fishes are commonly called bony fishes. The skeleton is made up of bones. Okay, where is the mouth here? Mouth is mostly terminal. Next, amphibia. Alimentary canal and urinary bladder reproductive tracts open into a common chamber called cloaca. Okay, I will explain this point when I explain digestive system of frog. Okay, alimentary canal, okay, urinary tract. Alimentary canal is part of digestive system, and urinary tract in the urinary system, that means excretory system. And next one, reproductive system, they has a reproductive tract. Okay, they all open into a common chamber called cloaca. Next, apes. The digestive tract of birds has additional chambers. Important point. They have some additional chambers. What are those additional chambers? One is crop, another one gizzard. Look at this image. Okay, here this is a crop. This is the alimentary canal. This is the alimentary canal of apes. Okay, you can observe here. This is the crop. And what is this one? This is gizzard. Two additional chambers are present here. You know, crop is also present in alimentary canal of the cockroach, and gizzard is present in the alimentary canal of frog. Gizzard is present in the alimentary canal of alimentary canal of earthworm. Gizzard is also present in the alimentary canal of the cockroach. Gizzard is also found in the alimentary canal of, okay, what is this one? Okay, apes. Okay, with this nutrition and cardates completed, next I will start digestive system of earthworm.